Does the heat kick on when you turn your AC on? Or maybe do you hear something like this? Well, today I'm going to show you how to fix it. Let's get into it. First off, we're going to go underneath the dashboard and we're going to locate these 3 screws right here, and we're just going to take them out. After those 3 screws are out, we can take our glove box out. It just slides right out like that. Now we're going to have access down here. We're going to find the actuator, pull this pin right out of the sensor, pull the sensor out. Now with the glove box out, we're going to have access to the front of this, and we can see the actuator very easily. There's 3 screws. We're going to take those out, and the actuator comes out real easy. Then you want to just compare, make sure they're the same. They are. Now you can see this has a gear on it, and one side's flat. It fits perfectly into this, slides in just like this. Also, I plugged in the sensor just to see if it'll work. I just turned the heat on and you can see it move right there. Now I turn the AC on and you can see it moving as I turn the AC on. I see that those holes line up when I have the AC all the way on max, so that's where I put it and turn the car off. So just install the actuator all the way. We're going to put this pin back in. It's easier if you go from the bottom like I just did, and then we're going to take our screws and put those back in. Now you can see on the left side of this glove box, there's a spot for a gear to fit in. You just clip it in and it slides right in. Now we need to recalibrate the actuators. We're going to take this panel off to the fuses, number 14 for HVAC. We're going to take it out with the key in the run position, leave it out for 30 seconds, and put it back in. And that will recalibrate them. Now let's just get this cover back on, and let's turn on the car. What the? Clipper, what are you doing? We're not going anywhere. We already went to the park. We're not. Come on, let's go. Clipper, get out. I'm working on the car. Let's go. Come on. Sorry about that. Now let's get the car started. I heard that. Heard it switch. Oh, yeah. Nice and toasty. Let's do it one more time. See if you can hear it switch. Yep. Hear it? Just switching it from hot to cold. Thanks for watching the video. If it helped you at all, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.